Hello students. Today we start with our new chapter. The chapter name of the chapter is chapter number 11, Enhancement of Food Production. First, one question is arising in our mind, that what is meant by enhancement and why that this enhancement is required for the food production in the process of food production. Then first thing is we discuss about the enhancement. Then what is enhancement? Enhancement is to increase. To increase or to grow. It means we require to improve the food production. Isn't it? To increase the food production. In previous chapter, you studied about the water hybridization. What are hybrid plants? What is meant by hybrid plant? The hybridization is that process we use or scientists use for the synthesis or improve the varieties. They are disease resistance varieties, and we yield a crop very much. That's why they use the hybridization process. Then this first meaning that is improvement in food production. Improvement in food production. Why we need improvement in food production? Because in a journey of human being, in a journey of humans, the improvement of everything, improvement of lifestyle, improvement of food habits, all those things are required. That's why here we need an improvement in food production. These points are discussed in this improvement of food production. That is, food gives energy for everything. That you know very well. The food is essential for every growing organism. Growing organism needs energy. For what? For its metabolic activities. For its all metabolic activity, every living organism needs a food. That food is in the form of solid or liquid, or food in the form of solid or liquid. We take a food, you know how much food is required for our human body, how much we take a meal at one time. That food is in the form of solid also or liquid also. But that food, what we take, that is non-poisonous. Isn't it? Non-poisonous, then edible. Okay? And nutritive substances. It having nutritive, lot of nutrition is present in that food what we take. Why we need that? Because every cell, each and every body part require nutrition. We always talk about the protein. Body needs protein. What is protein? The protein gives energy. That's why that protein nourishes the body. That helps to grow the body. That's why we require nourishing substances. Then one thing we always, as a biology student, the people are well known about that. What is that? That is, plant prepare their own food. Plant prepare their own food. By which process? With the help of that process is called as photosynthesis. You know, in photosynthesis process, in that photosynthesis process, plant prepare their own food material. They use CO2, H2O, chlorophyll pigment. In the presence of sunlight, they prepare their own, that is glucose, and byproduct is O2, oxygen. That is very necessary for us. Sorry. Then increase in world population. Day by day, what happened there? There is a increase in population. Day by day, what happened? worldwide population is increased. That's why to live that population, that increasing population, that they require of food. They require what? They require food. And for that purpose, what we do, this demand of food is increasing. That's why it needs to improve our food production. It improve the increase in the food production. Why we need food production? Because there is a growth of population. The population is always grow day by day. That's why we need to improve in the crops. That's why what we do? Plant breeding and animal breeding. Plant breeding, we use various techniques like tissue culture, like hybridization method. All those techniques we use for increase in the population, increase in the yield, increase in the disease resistance variety. That's why we can get a lot of yield. For what? For this growing population. And that's why we improve this plant breeding method. Then animal breeding method. This animal breeding method help us to increase food production. Animal breeding, then we cannot depend on one source. We can use the other source also, source of food. Then you people also know the animal breeding, that we eat various animals, that is eggs or chickens, for our requirement of protein source, body requirement of protein source. That's why we also use the animal breeding. That is a resource of protein also. That in this case, the animals also utilized for the breeding. Then for that, to improve the plant breeding, we need a improvement of seed, and we need the superior quality used for the chemical pesticide to improve the food production. That's why we need a seed. Seed for what? To superior quality. We take a superior quality of food. That because of that superior quality, we get the disease resistance plant. Then because of use of chemical and pesticide, we control all pests or present on that plant, and we increase crop plants. Our next point is that is 11.5 biofortification. Biofortification is that process, is that method in which crops are bred for having higher level of vitamins. You know very well, for the body structure and development of every cell, every body parts, we need protein, vitamins, minerals. That's why what scientists do, that process, biofortification process, that having some improvements there in food products and our daily food production. That for that, what for the crop breeding, they think about the protein content and that improvement of food. That food having a protein content, that you know that protein is very much required or very much useful for the synthesis, for the various activity of plants or human beings. That's why protein is a very essential factor for the development of body. That's why protein content and quality is improved there. That second is oil content and quality. There is also one thing, that is oil content. Oil content is also very much essential for the body activity. Then vitamins content. Last thing, we already told you that vitamins are very essential for improvement of body activity and to grow the body structures and development for the human or animal also. Then micronutrient contains of quality quality of that each and every I told you protein, vitamins and some micronutrients also required for the development of body or development of human beings. Then biofortification can be achieved through conventional selective breeding. Can be used as a conventional selective breeding and practices and also through a rDNA technology. This rDNA technology is very much essential. Is very much essential to increase to attain all these things. That's why this rDNA technology is very much important. It focuses on making plant food more nutritious and plant growth to develop. These all those things are very much required, very much need to develop the nutritive plants. That's why we have some examples of biofortification. Some examples of biofortification is that and these are very useful in our exam. Also, the various kinds of questions are arise in this point. That which wheat variety is having high protein content, the iron content, that which vegetables are having enriched of vitamin A. All those things are really essential regarding the point of view of our exam. That's why this point is so many times the multiple choice questions are arise here. That's why this is very essential regarding our syllabus or regarding our exam also. Then 45 maize having provides a amount of amino acids and lysine and triphosphanes. Then second is wheat. That wheat contain which variety that is Atlas 66. Atlas 66 has a high protein content. Which variety of wheat? That is Atlas. This is Atlas 66 has a high protein content and iron. This is achieved because of all this the biofortification process. This is achieved because of the biofortification process. And these are some examples. The next is 45 rice has 5 times more iron are developed in previous method. We have certain improved varieties, but it doesn't have improved varieties, but they takes a lot of time. That's why we accept all those varieties. We improve scientists improve this variety, and they improve what? They improve that variety having more iron. Okay, there are some vegetable crops like carrots, spinach have more vitamin A and minerals. Okay, then you know vitamin A is very much essential and minerals are very essential for the development of every living organism, every organism of the man. Then vitamin C in which bitter gourd, tomato have been developed by RART. All these things are very much important for our this syllabus point of view. Thank you.